How to get $100 shop promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box, type in shop promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for shop. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. 20% off, 10% off, $150 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. You'll get the code. Copy the code and head towards the website of shop. Then you can use this code in your purchase. Likewise, you can also grab other offers, as in this page you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. The process is same. Click on the offer, you'll get the code, copy it, then head towards the website of shop. Likewise, also check out other websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for shop. So this way you can easily get up to $100 shop working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.